Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you how you can remove your end-to-end encryption in Messenger. It is a very common issue that many users are facing right now. So, you just need to follow my steps carefully so that you can remove this encryption problem in Messenger. First, open the Messenger application in your device. After opening the Messenger, find that user account in which you want to remove this end-to-end encryption problem. Let's take an example. I am choosing the user account which is at the first place. Tap and hold the user account which you have selected and wait until the new pop-up appears. Now, on the second option, you will see a delete button. Click on it. Then, here it is written, delete this entire conversation. Click on delete option. Now, as you can see, the person which we have selected is now removed. If you want to start the conversation again, then you just need to click on the search bar and type the username of that person. After removing the user ID, end-to-end encryption will be solved automatically. That was the whole process for this tutorial. I hope this video helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can find more useful tips and tricks daily. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.